Welcome to McAllister Acres. McAllister Acres is a family-owned boutique farm located just outside of Frederick, Maryland, at the base of the Catoctin Mountains. In addition to our farmland, we maintain 20 acres of forest conservation land and a portion of Fishing Creek. This season, we're growing a variety of sunflowers and corn. Our crops help to financially support land maintenance and provide supplemental nutrition to wildlife. We absolutely love our beautiful area and the many attractions it has to offer. So please join us on YouTube and also visit our website at www.mcallisteracres.com. Please come enjoy and watch us grow together.